Storms across the area today, and wouldn't you know it, we had that tropical swirl spinning right over the top of us. So all of those concerned about tropical storm or hurricane in the Gulf, well, that was nonsensical to begin with. But certainly today, really highlighting that point. Just some showers and storms to work across, as we have been forecasting since last Friday, that this would not be that big a deal. It would just be some showers and storms to deal with. With the extra moisture around 79, our temperature overnight tonight, we'll see a continuation, at least for our coastal areas, to hold on to a chance at a shower or storm. Inland areas could fall down into the mid 70s, but it's certainly humid. Those dew points way up there. And as we look at our beaches, I just had the Gulf camera up there, so seeing that DOT camera drop out. But surf height not too bad. A yellow flag flying in Bay, Walton, and Franklin County. The sunshine even returning to the skies there in Walton or in Franklin County, and starting to see it break out here in Bay as well. Surf heights are going to be on the way up, so if you are headed to the coast over the next couple of days, make sure to pay attention to the flag, as we'll likely see red or even double red flags flying with the wind shifting to out of the south. That's going to be as this swirl starts to move off to our west. We're going to return that flow out of the south. We're going to see the wind pick up over the water, and that's going to help to push that swell inland. So expecting about 2 to 4 foot waves offshore as well as near shore for the day tomorrow. Typically when we start to get breakers at about 4 feet, that's when we start to see single and double red flags flying. So if you're planning to go to the coast tomorrow, make sure you are paying attention to the flags. And we can see that represented overnight tonight, that southerly flow working its way in, increasing the wave heights, even a couple of showers here or there. I said Thursday may end up being wetter than what we had for Friday. Reason for it, we'll likely see repeat rounds of moisture working across the area until late in the evening. As we kill the instability, we'll see things settle back down once again. And then Friday looking like a pretty typical summer day. Hot, humid, that flow still out of the south, and then our sea breeze convergence areas seeing the better chances of rain. But you saw those temperatures right there, 94 to 96 across the area. What does that mean for our rainfall totals? Well, some places could pick up an additional 2 inches of rain, but it's going to be very hit and miss and scattered. Other places may only see maybe a drop or two over the next couple of days. So kind of returning back to that summertime type of flow as well. Air quality on the good side, pollen count back to the low category. And if you are headed to the coast tomorrow, still need the sunscreen. UV index at 10.3. Latest check on the tropics, nothing in the eastern Pacific. And National Hurricane Center is still giving a 40% chance of a tropical depression to develop. If that is going to happen, that's going to happen really close to the Louisiana coastline. And I mentioned yesterday, we lose the rain chances, we increase the temperature. So 92 by Saturday for our coastal areas, 96 for our coastal areas by Sunday. We could start to see those rain chances increasing again by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. But I didn't do it yesterday, probably should have, because Destin hit 100 degrees. I finally put in 100 in the forecast there, 100 degrees for our inland areas on Sunday. So the heat, unfortunately, didn't go anywhere. We just got a little reprieve.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Rob.